Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. Welcome to anyone that is new here. My name is Olivia and I mostly do videos on sneaker reviews, but today's video I'm going to do a relacing video. I literally love relacing my sneakers and I've recently just picked up the Nike Patta Air Max 1s. They actually do come in this colorway which matches the same as the quarter panels. It's kind of like grey blue, I would say. Very light grey with kind of a touch of blue. Firstly, we're going to lace them with these. These are more like cream laces. I'm sorry, I've literally just scrunched them all up. But these actually match the midsole and these actually did come in the box as well. We're then gonna relace them with some blue laces. I've ordered about 4 pair of laces. I've returned 2. Basically, I wanted to relace them with blue. I wanted this exact blue, but could literally not find it anywhere. So I have a light blue, which I am going to lace them with. I do also have a dark blue as well, but I'm not sure these are gonna go at all. So I think I'm just gonna do the light blue. See what happens. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So this is the pair that actually come in the box. These are already laced when you receive them. These are actually quite tight for my liking as well, but when we relace them, I think I'm going to relace them a bit looser. I'm going to take these off and relace them with the next colour, which is the laces that come with these shoes in the box, and they actually match this kind of cream colour here. So if we just pull these out, as I said, they are actually quite tight. There we go, now they are unlaced. God, they look so weird unlaced. So I'm gonna get this pair now. So what I do is I just put it in half like this so that it comes out nice and equally. And just put the first 2 in there. Doesn't wanna go in. And then I will just pull these 2 at the same time and make sure that they are the same length at the end. And there we have a nice, make sure the lace isn't twisted when you do this as well. Just gonna go under. As I said before, the previous ones were actually a bit too tight, so I'm gonna make these a little bit looser. It's always a good idea as well when you're relacing your shoes to actually put them on when you do it, because then you can kind of gauge what kind of tightness you need, because some people have like wider feet than others. Okay, so there comes to a point when you're at this point here, you haven't done the top 2, and usually you can tie them here. I usually like to tie them here so that you've kind of got the logo on show, or you can keep tying them until you get to the top, and you can either do a bow or a look that I do really like. So the bits at the end are sticking out, so you don't actually tie them up, you don't put a bow on them, but the kind of logo, as you can see, is a bit covered up. But I kind of do like this look as well, especially for like Yeezys and stuff. I think I need to look in the mirror to see how this would look, but that is another vibe, I guess, that you can go for. Okay, lastly we have this blue. As I said, I really don't know if this is gonna go. I really tried to get the shade in the teal color, but it just didn't want to be found. So we're gonna go and try this now, and let's see if it works or I just look like a crazy person.
I think for me, it's definitely got to be the cream pair. The blue pair I do kind of like, but I feel like the colour match isn't perfect, so I'm not 100% sure about them. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What ones are your favourite? Maybe the ones that just come with the shoes. I guess some people will prefer the most. Thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys next time.